Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, 2 stories, social media rules, and a special passport. Follow the show and practice every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and comprehension quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Our first story is from Australia. Adam is our LinguaWire technology correspondent.
Hello, Daniel.
Adam, what is happening?
Australia wants bigger fines for social media companies. The biggest fine could be $99 million.
That is a very large amount. Why could a company get this fine?
A company could get it if it breaks the age law. The law says children under 16 cannot use some big apps.
Which apps are in the rule?
The rule covers 10 big social media apps. They include Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat.
So children under 16 cannot use them in Australia?
That is the rule. It started on 10th of December 2025.
But are children still getting onto the apps?
Yes, many children still have some access. One official report says 7 in 10 children who had an account before the rule still had some access.
7 in 10 is a lot. What can the safety office do now?
It can ask companies for proof. The companies must show what they are doing to follow the law.
Are any companies being checked now?
Yes, officials are checking 5 platforms. They are Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and YouTube.
Does that mean they broke the law?
No, it means officials are checking if they followed the law. The reports are still only claims.
What does the government say?
The government says some companies are not doing enough. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese said big tech is not doing enough to follow the law.
So the main point is clear. Australia wants stronger rules for big apps.
Yes, it wants companies to keep children under 16 off those apps.
Our second story is from the United States. Sarah is our LinguaWire travel correspondent.
Hello, Daniel.
Sarah, what is new with US passports?
There is a new special passport design. It has a photo of President Donald Trump.
Why is this passport coming now?
It is for America's 250th birthday. It is a special version, so there are not many of them.
When can people get it?
It becomes available on 8th July, but people can get it only while supplies last.
Can people ask for it online?
No, they cannot apply online. They also cannot apply by mail.
So how can they apply?
They must apply in person. For now, the main place is in Washington, D.C.
So not many people can get it easily. Are there other places too?
There are special events for this passport, but only 2 events are listed now. Both are at the Washington Passport Agency.
What is on the passport page?
The shared image shows Trump at a desk. Behind him is the Declaration of Independence, a famous old US document.
Did Trump say anything about it?
Yes, he wrote, "Welcome, but be good." But those words do not appear in the shared images.
What do normal US passports show?
They often show scenes from US history. They also show symbols, like the Statue of Liberty.
So this new passport is different.
Yes, it shows a current president on the pages. And only some people can apply for it now.
Now our language recap. Part 1. 3 useful words and phrases from the passport story. The theme is getting a document. First word, passport. A passport is a small book for travel to other countries. In the story, the US has a new passport design. Example, I need my passport for the trip. Second word, available. Available means you can get it or use it. In the story, the special passport is available on 6th July. Example, this room is available today. Third phrase, in person. In person means you go to a place yourself. In the story, people must apply in person. Example, I want to speak to her in person. Part 2. The verb apply. Apply means ask for something in an official way. In the story, people can apply for a passport. Say, I apply, you apply, we apply, they apply. For he or she, say, applies. The spelling changes. Apply becomes applies. Example 1. I apply for a new passport. Example 2. She applies in person. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.